Hi viewers, what's up? This is Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Tech. So here in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can create a slider by slick.js. Actually by slick.js you can create a slider for you and it will be really easy like our carousel slider. And here I want to add you that here you can add slider and add a lot of features which you can't add by all carousel, but by this slick.js you can add those features. So how and what's that trick to use this slick.js, this type of slider? You need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting, there are a request: if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. First of all, here I search here slick.js, and here this is the Slick, the latest carousel you will ever need Ken Wheeler. So here it will be really interesting, and here whenever you go to in this website for the first time, that time here it will be like that. So here there are a lot of demo for you to use this type of slider. So from here you can add this type of slider by your wish. So here from I just show you there have a lot of sliders there. So from here you can use anyone that you want to use. So in this we will add a simple slider with some bars and here navigation bar too. So how you can do it? So for that guys, here first of all you need to go to in this demo, or here from if you want to use it right now, that time click on this usage from here. So from here now we need to download the script from here, or here you can also add this CDN from here too, but I always refer you to use with the raw file. Now click on this get it now and download this slick.js from here, and it will be downloaded from here. And here now it's okay, and after downloading it from here you need to go to on this, and here from you just get it, and from here you need to extract this from here, extract here, and here you will get it in the bottom below in this Slick 1.8.1. this is the version. So from here now you need to go to on this Slick, and from here you will get this slick.js or the slick.min.js. So from here we will use this slick.min.js as we don't use it for the second time. So here from, as you see here, I have already created a folder that have an HTML file sajidz.html, that has an JSS folder, and here in this JS folder we will take this slick.min.js, and here in this CSS we also take some folder. So from here go to on this Slick, and from here you will get some file from here as a CSS file. This is the slick.css, and here this is the slick.theme.css. These two files you need to copy from here, and you need to take it in this CSS folder in that specific folder where you want to use this. So here you can see it. Now let's open this sajidz.html with a text editor. So here we'll create an HTML boilerplate, and here it will be slick.js slider, and here we will add our CSS file from the Slick. So here from we will add this relationship as a style sheet, and the ref will be, that means the href will be CSS and slick.css, and then the another CSS will be CSS, and then the slick.theme.css. This is the file. Now we will add our this jQuery file from here, script script as a src, and here from go to in this JS, and here we will add this minified version of the jQuery library 3 version, and I will also give you that library file link here. So after that, here from you need to add your this file which is slick.js file. Now go to on this src, and from here go to the JS slick.min.js. Now we are ready to use it. So from here now go to on this usage, and here from you can guys get started from here. So here you can see that there have a class. Now copy this class whole from here and just paste out this class here, and the whole content will be pasted out there. But here you have to understand something. Here this is the your class. You can add any class whatever you want. This is I am Sajid. This is the class that I want to use here. And here all the div will be remain here. You can add a class. Now go to on this demo from here. Demos, and from here you can see that there are a single JS line. So here from we need to go to on this, and here we need to add another file called main.js, or you can rename it whatever you want, and you need to add it instead after this slick.main.js, or you can add it whatever you want. It might be after this JS library and the slick.main.js. So here I just add this as a main.js. Now here from we will copy this line of JS from here, and we will open this JS folder from here and add it. And here from we will add a document file, and this ready, the function will be as it is, and let's add this function. Now paste out this is the single item, but here from you need to add this class from here. Copy this class, I am Sajid, and add this here, right here. Now we will test it whether it works or not. Now go to on this, and here guys you can see that it works, but here there have no any styles, so it doesn't come here. So here from we will add some styles from here. So add a style as a style script from here in the CSS, and here from we will add, first of all, the body will be width of 100 view width, and the height of auto, and the overflow will be hidden and scroll. That means in the x-axis it will be hidden, but in the y-axis it will be scrolled. Now let's check it, and here it works. Now we will add this. Now go to on this I am Sajid class from here, and we want to stylize these divs under this I am Sajid. Take the width of 100% from here, and then height of 300 pixels, and here the background might be, I just take a background as 2020, it will be black, and here the color will be FFF, and here the font size will be as 30 pixels, and here the text align will be center. Now let's check out it, and here guys you can see it. Now it works, but here from you can add it whatever you want. So here in this case you can also add images if you want. So I just off those, and here I just delete it as an image, and here from I want to add this image as 1, and here from I want this, it will work from here. So here in this case, but here I want to add this as an image, so here it works. Now add another object, feet will be cover, and now let's check it. Here they have only one image, but others are not coming because they have only one. But here you need to add another code, that is star, for all the margin and all the paddings of all element will be 0. Now here it is. Now we will add more images here, so duplicate it for the 5, and here for the 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's add it. So here the slider will become, and here you can see it, the sliders are coming one by one. So here from we need to add more from here. So for that, here guys in this slick, here if you want to add multiple slider in one page, that time you need to add this slides to show. Here from you need to add this code here in this dot, and here give a double bracket and paste this code here, slides to show. That means here 3. If you add it as a 2, that time here you will see 2 sliders. Refresh it, and here you can see that there have 2 sliders there. You can see 8. Now there have a question is there slides to scroll, slides to scroll. So here if you want to add 2 sliders here, that means here from it will scroll one by one, or it will scroll at a time 3. So here from, if you want to add these slides to scroll as a 3 or as a 2, that time it will be as a 2, it will scroll as a 2 one by one. So for that, here guys, you need to add another class that is dots. So from here, go to on this and add a code like dots. So here from, the dot will be true, and let's check it. And here guys, you can see that there are a small dots are there. Now inspect this element from here, and here you can see it, these dots are there, you can see it from here. So for that dot, you can also add this dot here. So here from, you can increase the font style from here. Just inspect, after just inspecting this element as a slick.li button before, here you will get this code. Now add this code in this CSS so that it will work from here. Now after this, add a font size will be as a 70 pixels, and now let's check it whether it works. And here you can see that it will be increased. Now here from, you can see that here, if you just add 2 here, in this case it will scroll by 2, but if you added 1, that time it will be added one by one. And here you can see that. So here from, if you want to add this type of button, that time also you can. So here in this case, here whenever you inspect this, that time you can see it. Here they have already added a button that is here in this. For the brief, that time here they add this button, and here for the next they also add this type of button, but it's not visible right now because of our styles. So from here we can add some styles from here. For this slick brief, here you can see that they have left -25, so here we will make this left as a 0 here in this case. So add this slick brief as a left of 0%, and here also you need to add a z index of 1111 so that it will be in the very top. And here you can see it. Now we can also add some more styles from here. So here we also add another, that is slick next, next, and here it will be the right also. And here you can see it. It also added this in this, but it doesn't show here because here from some problem, but make it as a 25 pixels so that it will show here, and you can see it. But we need to make more styles from here. So add this class in this, stylize this class as a slick arrow, and from here we will add some classes and style in this slick arrow. And here this will be like the background will be as a 2020, and the color will be as a FFF. And here you need to add just add those, and now let's check it whether it works or not. And here you can see it works, and here you can also see it. So from here, now we will add some padding from here. In this case, we will add the padding of 20 pixels so that it will looks like that. Here you can see it, but whenever I hover, it doesn't show here. So here from, if you want to remove this arrow and add your wish, so here from you need to add this class with another before after pseudo class, that is before before, and here add this content whatever you want as like previous, 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 and here it will be. Now let's check it, and here you can see it, this will be previous. Now you can also colorize it whatever you want, will be red, and here you can see it. Now you can also do it for the next slick next for 2. So copy it and paste it, and copy this next and this paste, and it will be next. Now let's check it, and here you can see it. So from here we need to add some more script from here as a 50 pixels. So here you can see it. Now by this way you can also create this type of slick.js slider by your wish, and it will work for you, and I hope you all understand about it. And now you can also customize this as you wish. Now I hope you all understand, so I need to take a break from this. So we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.